Hello everyone, I'm Shannon Rose, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Fab Fit Fun summer box with you. I've partnered up with Fab Fit Fun and I'm so excited because there's certain things in this box that I would have never bought myself. And that's one of the things I love about subscription boxes. It's almost like it's your birthday or Christmas every season. So before I get into unboxing and showing you all the amazing things that are in this box, I do just want to let you guys know, if you're not aware of it, I'm sure you probably have heard of Fab Fit Fun before. It's a very popular subscription box. So how it works is you get it seasonally. This is the summer box that I'm gonna unbox with you guys, and I'm so freaking excited about it. I can't even contain my excitement. So the box is $49.99, but you get over $250 worth of products inside the box. The other cool thing is you can actually customize what you want in your box, or you can let their team of experts curate a box for you, which is also very fun and surprising. It's like a surprise when you get it. Another thing I just want to mention as we are unboxing this together is this season Fab Fit Fun has actually taken steps to become more eco-friendly, which I am all on board with. I think like subscription boxes are amazing, but I do think it's important to be more eco-friendly and sustainable if you can be. And so some of the things that they're doing, they actually talk about in their little magazine. You get one of these with each box. It shows you the products that are in the box, gives you descriptions, tells you how much the products are originally, if you paid for them separately and didn't get them in this subscription box. They also work together with charities, which I think is awesome. I believe this charity it says Spring 2020 charity is the Special Olympics, I believe, so that's really awesome. Let's see. Okay, our sustainability efforts. So right here in their magazine, what they're doing is different box sizes. So they're cutting down on the packaging that they use, and then add-ons in your box. So if you ordered small items in add-ons, we packed them inside your summer box. So that's really cool that they're doing this. It says this helps us completely eliminate the waste that happens when using larger boxes to pack smaller items. And they're also upcycling. This is like one of my favorites. So they're upcycling and they're continuing to upcycle old boxes to pack sale purchases. Plus there are tons of ways you can turn your box into a DIY project. And they even added a website for you to check out if you want to DIY your box, and they give you like ideas. I think that's so cool. They also have a whole magazine to show you how you can style the products in your box and all kinds of fun stuff. So let's just freaking get into it because I'm dying to show you. Okay, so this is what came in my summer Fab Fit Fun box, and I'm gonna go through each product and take them out and show you what they are, how much they originally cost, and what they do. Okay, so I'm gonna start with probably my favorite thing in this box. It's really hard to choose a favorite, but this is definitely one of my favorites, and that is this Yumi Kim wireless phone charger. So how it works, and it comes in this really beautiful box, and I love the colors on this. So how this works is you plug it into your computer so it's charged up, you pop this in your bag, and then when your phone is dying, you literally just place your phone on the charger and it charges your phone, and it's wireless and it's super lightweight. So I am absolutely obsessed with this. I think it's so beautiful, and it just makes me very happy to know because my phone is always dying because I'm constantly on my phone. So I really, really love this wireless charging pad by Yumi Kim. I was super stoked that this came in the box. And then let's just check out how much this is. If we were to buy it on its own, it would have been $35. That's almost the price of this box. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot to tell you guys the most important part of this. You guys get $10 off with my code. So instead of the box being $49.99, you're gonna get it for $39.99 if you use my code. And I'm gonna leave it on the screen here and also in the description box down below if you guys want to test this box out for yourself. That's basically how much this is. Just the one thing in the box is how much the box would be. Okay, the next thing is this amazing Michael Kors sleek wallet. First of all, this feels amazing, and I love how minimalistic and like chic this is. I have a very small little wallet that I've been using that I pop in my bag, and it's actually starting to fall apart because I've used it so much. So this is gonna be perfect to replace that. This is originally $78. Oh my, this is more expensive than the whole box itself, you guys. And that's how it is most of the time when you get these boxes. One product would be more expensive than the whole box. That's why I love getting subscription boxes. You get such great deals. So I love this Michael Kors wallet. Definitely going to use this. Look how much space is in there too. You can like put all your credit cards. You can put your passport in here. Like, This is awesome. Super stoked on this product. Okay, next up in here is a Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen. I love Kula. They're such an amazing brand. Super clean ingredients, like very high-end, great stuff. So I'm very excited about this mineral face sunscreen. It's a matte finish, so it's sheer, it's non-greasy, it's fast absorbing, and it is all plant-based, and it's 70% organic. This is SPF 30, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested. With the summertime coming up and being out in the sun, I would definitely recommend this. All vegan, reef friendly, which is really important also. I don't know if you guys know, but I know in Hawaii, like they've banned certain sunscreens because it's killing our reef. So this is reef friendly. So keep that in mind. Gluten-free, it's farm to face, and cruelty-free and vegan, which I'm all about. Awesome that this came in the box. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you how much this sunscreen is. $36. So again, this one item costs as much as the whole box does. Next up is this makeup sponge. This is by the brand Makeup Drop. I love, so cute. Makeup applicator. This applicator features a silicone side and a latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. This is really cool. This is not your average makeup sponge. This is extremely unique because it looks like a makeup sponge, but when you turn it around, it's a hybrid. So it's got this silicone flat area here, which is great for like contouring and all kinds of stuff. So very cool. This sponge retails for $20, and that also comes in here. Very cool. Excited about this. Also, I've gone like full hippie mode, in case you guys didn't already know by watching my videos. So if my hair looks a little wild, it's on purpose, just so you know. Okay, next up in this box is a Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. I love after sun sprays. They're so refreshing. Oh, I love the packaging. Very simple, chic. Let's see how the scent is. Oh my gosh, very earthy. Smells like lavender, like a spa. Like it literally smells like a spa day. Oh my gosh, this retails for $42. So again, more than the whole box itself if you use my code when getting it. And this is the Lifestyle Company Beach Mist. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture all over you when you get out of the sun. A great beauty hack is to put this in your fridge, especially if you have a skincare fridge. If you pop this in your fridge, and then when you get home, if you were out in the sun, spraying this on, it feels so, so good. Super stoked on this. Also, this is made in the USA, so we love that. Okay, oh my gosh, I love this brand, Spongelle. Okay, this is Spongelle hand cream. It's in coconut verbena, infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. This sounds amazing. This retails for $18. This smells so good, you guys. Some really nice high-end hand cream in the box. Next up is this Winky Luxe Eyebrow Pencil. This retails for, let's see how much this is. Ooh, they had some Tom's sunglasses in here. I didn't get those in my box, but I'm looking at it here and I'm like, those look awesome. They had so many cool options. Also, they had like a straw bag. There's so many awesome summer items. A cooler bag. So if you guys were to like customize your box, you could pick some really cool stuff. So this Winky Luxe, I'm trying to see, oh, $16. Okay, so this is a Unibrow Universal Eyebrow Pencil. It says get your best brows ever with this Universal Brow Pencil. So this is what it looks like. And oh, nice. Okay, love that. I can't wait to try this. I haven't tried this one yet. And I love that it has a spoolie on the other side because sometimes our brows can get a little unruly. So yeah, that's really nice. Super excited about that. Okay, and then last but not least in my box is this Terra Murray Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. So let's open this bad boy up and take a look. Oh, wow, very fancy. This bottle is heavy. So this is $54. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the brand correctly. I've never heard of them before, but it's Terra Murray. I don't know. I could totally be butchering it. If I am, I'm so sorry. But it is an anti-aging aloe and tea tree toner. And it says, reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and sloughs away dead skin cells. So this is super nice. So that is everything in my Fab Fit Fun box. So I just want to give a huge thanks and shout out to Fab Fit Fun for partnering with me. I absolutely love this box, and I think you would too. So if you guys want to try out this box where you get over $250 worth of items for only $39.99 with my code, definitely hit the link down in the description box. Make sure to use my code for $10 off. And yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you for being here and supporting my channel. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah!